Hey guys, this is Dan from New Positivity TV. It's actually December the 31st, 2025. I'm just showing you guys the email that I received from YouTube. So I'm just going to celebrate with you guys and tell you guys, hey, this is a happy moment. You know, we met the 100,000 family members, and so this is something to celebrate. And thank you guys for all your support and all you're doing. And this is just a video that I could just do right quick because it's already almost midnight. And I just noticed this email. So thanks guys. New Positivity TV, Dan Harris. My heart goes to you guys for sticking it out and supporting this channel. And we'll do some updated videos once I get the actual award in my hand. But thank you guys, appreciate it. New Positivity TV.